Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Google Maps settings. If Google Maps is slow, glitching, or not showing correct locations, resetting its settings can fix issues and restore default functionalities. And here's how you can reset Google Maps settings on desktop and mobile. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps of doing that, so listen carefully and follow these steps. So let's get started. The first method is to reset Google Maps on a web browser. And to do that, just open any web browser. You can open Chrome, or as you can see, you can open Brave as I'm using it right now. And go to Maps. Go to Google Maps by going to maps.google.com. Now here, click on the three dots menu on the top left corner. As you can see, it's a three horizontal lines. Now here, select your data in apps and delete maps activity. Let's see here, your data in my app. Go to here, click on it, your data in maps, and here, and choose and see and delete activities. After that, delete them. You can manually delete each one of them, dismiss, etc., and delete it one by one. As you can see, it's all deleted. The deletion is complete. The second step is you can also clear the cookies and cache by going to settings and privacy and clear browsing data. Second method is reset Google Maps on Android or iPhone. Now to do this, open settings on your phone and go to apps, then choose Google Maps and tap storage, then go to a cache and clear cache and clear data, and restart the app and check if it's working properly. The third method is to reinstall Google Maps, which is the final reset option. You install Google Maps from your phone by going to settings and then searching for apps, and then installing Google Maps, and then you restart your device and install the latest version of Google Maps from the App Store. And that's it for today's tutorial. Resetting Google Maps can fix glitches, improve speed, and restore missing features. If the issue persists, reinstalling the app is the best solution. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.